Well, guys, I don't know if this thing is recording or not. I'll yak anyway.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
I will, thank you.
Take off.
Okay. We're out here wandering river, Alberta, and I figured I'd show you guys what it looks like here.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
It's a very small place. So we'll have a look. There's a river. There's the wandering river. Yeah, interesting. And it goes across the highway just over there somewhere. Yeah. Well, let's fly over there and we'll see. We want to go forward. There we go. Yeah, that is Wandering River, guys. Go up a little bit more. Get it up to about 50 meters there. That's close. Okay. And there you can see the lake that's actually feeding the river. Okay. Anyway, I'm getting a weak signal here, so I'm going to turn it around a little bit. There's the bridge across the highway, and you can see me parked just along the edge there. So we'll bring it back towards me, and then we'll see if we can fly it around above the town a little bit. It's interesting. I got a whole bunch of birds up there flying around. Well, we'll see if they bug me. No, they're flying away. Okay, they're not going to bug me. So Wandering River is basically just beyond, on the edge of Highway 63. The last real stop before you get to Fort McMurray, since there are really no other towns in between. And it's not a hellishly big place, so we're parked on the north end of the town. And as you can see, there's some truck traffic and not a heck of a lot of anything around here. So we're basically just flying straight down the street here, I guess. Yeah, pretty cool. Okay. As you can see, the highway's off to the left side there, or south. or heading in the direction of south. It's to the east, actually. So now we're flying over the area there. We should be right above the Husky station. No, this is not a advertisement for them, but just trying to get a view of everything. Whoop. There's the petrol can. And that's got a 7-Eleven in it. And a Burger King, I guess. And we'll drive back down that street. Back towards me. And I don't know if this is what they call the main street or not, but that's where we're going. We're gonna fly down there till we get back. Doesn't seem to be moving very much. Well, it's having problems with transmission. Well, the easiest thing for me to do in this case is hit the home button.
Go home.
Okay, so I've told the bird to come back. And hopefully it will. And it is coming back at 50 meters in height. Don't see it yet, but it is coming. 50 meters, roughly 155, 160 feet, something like that. Anyway, that was just a basic quick trip around Wandering River. It really is not a very big place at all. Hey, I see me. Down there in the middle. Okay. And oh, I see it coming. Those clouds up there are starting to look pretty dark, so I'm gonna let this thing land, and
Landing.
then I will get myself out of here. Good for a little video anyway. And the bird's coming in for a landing. I like it. Right where I let it come from. I really do enjoy that home feature. Saves you a lot of hassles. And another successful landing. Okay, well, that's it. I'm going to shut that recorder portion off. Thanks everyone for popping in, having a look. Appreciate it. And hopefully we'll get some more videos up there. Till the next one, take care and bye for now.